Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. So we are well in the thick of the move. It is Wednesday and we're out of here on Friday, so we're trying to get a lot of the stuff done today and tomorrow. So Friday is literally just get up and go and hand the keys over to the couple who are moving in here. The place is looking really bare just now. It sounds like it's echoing as well, so I'm going to give you a little tour and show you kind of where we are so far. But we literally just have the bare minimum. The kids' stuff from the car's out just now, like their car seats. So it does look as if there's more stuff in here to be moved, but really that's going back in the car. That's going to my mum's house. That bag's just thrown there. The curtain pole is down. We need to get rid of all these boxes later. That's just drying just now, but yeah, like the place is really bare. Those pillows are all going in the bin. They're completely done. Lola's been lying all over them, and yeah, we just need to get rid of them. Less stuff to take. That's just a bag of, is that bin stuff? Yeah. Bin stuff. Again, prams that are going in the boot. But yeah, like we've basically got like nothing in any of the cupboards. Most of it's all been moved so far. We ended up upgrading the storage unit that we had. Fraser went and had a look and he thought better just to get the bigger one. But we think we've got quite a minimalist life until you try and put it in a box and then you don't realise how much stuff you've got. So luckily between the storage unit, which is full now with like all the garden furniture and stuff, my mum and dad's garage, soon to be their loft, and then my grand's house, we've managed to move a whole load of stuff. So thankfully we've got space to put everything and we don't need to get another storage unit. So yes, that is what we're doing today. We're just packing things up. Kids are, one's sleeping and one's at nursery. So while we've got like 3 hours to kind of spare, well not really 3 hours because Fraser's going to work, we're just going to try and get as much stuff done as we possibly can. Tomorrow's going to be a day of cleaning because I want this couple to come in and feel like new house excitement, not like a big dusty messy space. So I'm going to spend tomorrow cleaning. But also today I'm going to do a quick kind of like dinner at lunchtime. This is what we do when Fraser's doing like a back shift in work. We tend to do a dinner at lunchtime just because it's easier. So I'm going to show you, we were basically having like takeaway food and then we got a Gusto box. So it's a meal subscription box. It's just arrived yesterday, so I put it all away. And yeah, you know I love a meal subscription, so it's ideal if you're moving because it's one less thing to think about. Don't need to go to the shop, and I'll show you my fridge because it's full now. Hey?
Hello.
What did you say?
You say?
Have you been outside? Yeah. Neighbourhood watch. Yeah, so like these are the ingredients. These are like fried onions, which I was like, what on earth are these? These are like totally bizarre. But yeah, I've got those. I've got 4 meals, so that should do us like a couple of days in here, and then I'll take 2 to mum and dad's house because we're staying there for 4 weeks if you're new. So I've got like all this stuff, all came in the box, like all this veg is in here, none of this, like this fridge was empty, minus different wee like kids snacks and butter and stuff, but this is all like Gusto food. So I've got like potatoes, I've got like veggies, green beans, some cucumber in there, chestnut mushrooms, portobello mushrooms. We've actually got a vegetarian dish out of this as well. And I've got like all my herbs and different bits in here. And then I've got some wraps as well, which I've kept in the fridge for some reason. Anyway, and then they've got the meat there as well, and then some natural yogurt. And what's in here? Oh, that's like sauces and stuff. So everything is measured exactly to the portion size that you need, so there's like really no hassle. And 2 of the dishes that I've gone for are part of their 10 to table range. So they say that you can actually make the meal and have it served in 10 minutes, which is exactly what we need at this time of day, and especially when we're busy moving. So I don't know where I've put my recipe cards. I'm going to show you what they look like first because I've got, they might be in the box actually. I've got the recipe cards to show you what we've got. Let's have a look. Oh dear, where are they? Well, I can't find the recipe cards anywhere. I have no idea where I've put them. But the good thing is you can go on their website and find the recipe, which is good. So I'm going to go on and see which ones I got. That's so annoying though because I'm pretty sure I just sat them in one of these cupboards, but I can't find them, so I don't know what it is. But oh, that's so annoying. Are they in there? I actually thought I left it in the box, but obviously not. Anyway, got the recipe cards. They will be somewhere. They will be somewhere. I will find them. But yeah, anyway, even if I don't, I can go on the website. Very dark. I can go on the website and look up the meals that I ordered, and they'll have the recipe card on the website. So I'm going to do that just now and then decide what we're having to eat. Cancel, found them. I put them in a safe place, but just didn't know where the safe place was. So yeah, we've turned the whole place upside down and I found them. So I am going to show you the cards that I've got. I've got 2 of the 10th table meals, but we do have a bit more time just now, so I don't know. I'm going to give Fraser an option of what he fancies, because we've also got this one here. Quick shredded hoisin chicken wraps, and that feels quite lunchy for me, so I don't know whether to have that one just now. Looks amazing. Or we've got the 10-minute Thai basil pork with green beans, which also looks really good. I've got the 10-minute mushroom biryani, so this is the veggie one, which also looks decent. And then I've got the Asian fried chicken, sesame fries and zingy slaw, which looks like an actual takeaway. So yeah, I don't know whether to have maybe that one on Friday or something. I'm better looking at the, what do you call them? Expiry dates. I'm better looking at the expiry dates and seeing what is what. But yeah, I don't know, I think I'm feeling like I fancy the wraps just now. I'm going to go and ask Fraser what he wants. Right, here are your choices. Pick something and see if it's the same as mine.
They're all good.
I know.
Not that one.
Not that one.
Not the veggie one. What one's the quickest? That one?
That one's the quickest.
I'll go with that one then, that's fine.
I fancied that one though.
They all look good.
I think that one will take longer, so should we do that at like a dinner?
Kids can have that one.
Like tomorrow, we'll do that tomorrow night and we can have that one just now.
Kids will like that, and I think...
That feels lunchy.
See, I don't know, I think the kids might like that, see, because it's pancakes.
Oh yeah.
They like that. I think that one. I would go with that one.
Go for it, okay.
It's spicy as well. It's got a red chilli in it, whereas the other one hasn't. Because Ella will be able to eat that one.
Yeah, right, let's go for that one then. Perfecto. And I'll put these in somewhere where I then tell Fraser where they are as well, so we don't lose them. Right, let's go on with this.
Not in a safe place.
Not in a safe place, in a like publicly known place.
I was worried you blow my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shiver, your hands on myself, I keep pulling the trigger, alright. This very finger for people like them. Oh no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh. I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not my fault. No. The way you make glitter, you drink me like liquor, keep painting the picture, alright. No, I don't care much for people like them. Oh, no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good right now. It's the way you make me feel so good. Oh.
Hi.
Hi.
How was your day?
Good.
Was it? What were you doing? What were you doing?
No, another Jack. My Jack.
Your Jack.
He said, that's unfair.
Someone said that's unfair. What was unfair?
My cousin Jack said that's unfair to Noya.
We never. You're talking rubbish. So yeah, you're talking rubbish. Are you? Yeah.
I heard some yesterday.
I'm sure you did. Right, so we're home now. The kids are currently trying to make the best of an unfurnished living room. Charlie still got his jacket on. Daddy's at work. And Mummy and Daddy had something to eat before Daddy went to work, and it was so yum. So yum. I miss this girl so much. But yeah, my Thai, was it Thai? Yeah, Thai, my Thai beef stir fry, I think that was what it was called, was absolutely amazing. It was actually the one in the ingredient cards that I was least looking forward to, I think. Oh my goodness, Ella. And it literally did take 10 minutes. It was so fast. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that one. And I seen my friend Lisa had the same one today as well. So I seen it on Insta stories that she was eating the same one. And I had to actually text her. I was like, did you just love that? And she was like, it's amazing. So yeah, we had that. So I'm stuffed. I don't need anything for dinner later. Mwah, 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 mwah. Goodness, that was a lot of kisses. Now I'm no longer getting attacked off the kiss monster. That meal was amazing, and plus Gusto have kindly given me 60% off for you guys to go and get your first box if you want to try it. So I'll leave all that information in the description box below if you want to go and check it out. Thank you. There's a blanket for me. Don't, Ella, don't tempt me. I'm absolutely shattered. I could fall asleep right now, and she's tired too after nursery, but we're going to wait half an hour and then we're going to make the kids some dinner. Oh, and then I'm going to get them organised for bed and just do a usual bedtime routine, and then I'll get organised with more house movie stuff when they're in their beds, because do you know what? I'm not really getting to spend as much time with them as I'd like to just now, just because of the move. So this is tonight's babysitter. She's like quite reasonably priced. The only thing is she takes all the scraps of food and often begs for them. It's shady. And this is what you call using up the last of the freezer food. The kids are having like a picky dinner tonight, just all the bits and pieces that are not going to be able to get moved with us. So we're trying to empty the last of the freezer bits. So yeah, they're having a picky dinner and having it on a picnic blanket. How's your dinner, Charlie?
Yeah, on the town.
Is it nice? It's not all done. It's not all done. You're still eating it. Oh, wonderful. Yum.
Yeah.
Oh, Lola. Do you want your dinner, Lola? Yeah. You be nice, Lola. I'm so full from my lunch earlier, so I'm not going to bother having any dinner just now because I only had something like 3 hours ago and it was so filling. So I'm just going to leave it just now. I'm just going to do some dishes and tidy up in here so that when the kids go to bed I can get on with doing a bit of packing. I'm just currently watching the Saucony Jolies just now. I've not caught up with their vlogs for ages, so yeah, doing that. It's so funny though because look at my suggestions. It's like always get kids TV programs on there. So yeah, that is that. And I've also got another vlog going up tonight, so it should be on at 7. So this is a video all about just a day in the life of moving and Charlie being a bit hard work, shall we say. So yeah, that is on. I'll also link that in my description box if you fancy going and watching. It's funny because you guys seem to really like just my normal, very cut and shut, dry day in the life vlogs rather than like I don't know, sit down chatty video. So I do like doing these because it feels like a lot more natural for me just to talk to you as if it's like just talking to a friend really. So yeah, if you prefer these type of vlogs then just let me know in the comments below now and I will do more, because if you do like them then I'll try and do more. I know that I do a weekend vlog most weekends, but actually there's a lot of stuff that goes on during the week as well that I kind of miss out. So I don't know, what would you prefer, a weekly vlog, a weekend vlog, or a couple of day in the lives throughout the week? You can let me know in the comments. So I was just looking for Charlie there and hi.
Hi.
Is that your wee house?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Charlie,
See. Ha.
eating sugar, telling lies. Open your mouth. Ah, bless you. Bless you. You're so sweet. Shower time. Woo! Every day I'm shuffling. Fast. Shower, shower, shower time. Okay, no spread. Okay. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Maybe say Okay, let me get it. Right, you're going to watch Shrek and I'm going to dry your hair. Your brother? Because guess what? This is the last night you're going to sleep in this house. It's the last time. It's the last time you're going to say goodnight to Charlie in this house. Hi. Okay, you give him a kiss?
Can I go to Nana's house?
Yeah, when we're finishing this house, we're going to go to Nana's for a wee while. You're going to give Charlie a kiss?
Getting kicked out of my house alone.
Good night, little man. Bye bye. We're going on to a new house. Okay?
Bye.
We have a new room. You saying it? Bye bye room. Last time you're going to be sleeping in here. Sure it is. It's quite sad actually because Charlie won't remember this room when he grows up. Such a lovely space. I feel like we should have spent more time in here, but that's just how these things go, isn't it? Oh, I'm feeling a bit sad. Good night. Night. Let's sleep in your big room.